If you love cooking as much as you love entertaining, you have to check out this floor plan. Configured as an entertainer's paradise with tons of cabinetry and countertop space, the chef of the family will never want to leave this gorgeous kitchen. Our floor plans are known for their meticulous attention to every detail because the little details matter. Backed by the industry's best ownership group, our community offers more than just cherished moments with your immediate family. It fosters long-lasting relationships with other owners that will last a lifetime. Introducing the brand new 2024 Montana 3795 FK, the front kitchen floor plan of your dreams. My favorite part of this couple's coach is the kitchen. With its expansive countertops, 21 doors and drawers for storage in the kitchen alone, and a front windshield, the chef of the family will be able to make themselves right at home. Creating more prep space and large solid surface countertops can double as dining or a work from anywhere setup. After the 5-star meal, you'll want to make your way downstairs to the large living space. With dual opposing hide-to-bed sofas and theater seating that is directly across from the TV and electric fireplace, this is the perfect place to relax with friends and family, to throw on a movie or watch the big game. When everyone goes home, you can relax and unwind in the ultimate master suite. This space has a king-size bed standard, storage that is perfect for extended travel, featuring a closet with stackable washer-dryer prep. The rear bathroom is roomy with dual sinks, a built-in linen cabinet, and a massive 48 by 30 shower. The Montana 3795 FK is just under 40 feet long and under 14,000 pounds. This floor plan is a great option for those that love to cook a home-cooked meal and entertain with their friends. Visit our website to learn more about this brand new floor plan, designed with luxury features that owners have come to expect from Montana. It's easy to see how this floor plan is the original, the gold standard, always Montana.